Unlocking the Power of Domain Registration. In this ultimate guide, we will cover everything you need to know about domain registration. Introduction to Domain Registration. Domain registration is the process of reserving a unique name for your website on the internet. It's like securing your online address. Importance of domain registration. Why is domain registration important? A unique domain name helps establish your brand's identity and makes it easier for customers to find you online. Building web presence. A registered domain boosts your web presence, builds credibility, and helps drive more traffic to your website, ultimately growing your business. Types of domain registration. There are various types of domains you can register to suit your needs. Top-level domains. Top-level domains, or TLDs, are the most common. Popular examples include .com, .net, and .org. Country. Country code TLDs, or CTLDs, represent specific countries like .uk for the United Kingdom, .ca for Canada, and .in for India. Generic TLDs, or GTLDs, are more specific and industry-focused. Examples include .shop for online stores, tech for technology sites, and blog for bloggers. Sponsored TLDs, or STLDs, are restricted to specific entities, such as .gov for government institutions, .edu for educational institutions, and .museum for museums. How to register a domain. First, choose a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Next, check if your desired domain name is available using a domain registrar. Once you find an available name, complete the registration process by providing your details and making the payment. Finally, set up your website using your new domain and start building your online presence. Benefits of registering a domain. It gives you full control over your online identity, makes your website easier to find, and enhances your brand's credibility. Want to learn more? Visit our website, www.excelhost.cloud.